Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Say love you all and you love us. So beautiful, so amazing, so perfect videos, so gorgeous designs and just amazing videos. And this video is all about the crochet skirts designs. Crochet skirts videos we have to share with newest videos and more fabulous, more amazing and creative videos. So I will more attractive designs, more stunning videos I have shared with you, and it's amazing skirts and different colors combinations like mini and long skirts, other topics and more stunning designs, more attractive videos. And it's amazing skirts and different topics, different perfect designs. Keep more amazing, keep more fabulous videos, just looking gorgeous, just amazing videos. And so I will more attractive, more stunning designs and different colors combinations. Skirts are used in different topics, different designs, more fabulous, more of different things, different designs. And two colors combinations are three colors combination videos and different topics. Keep more fabulous, keep more stunning and more embellished videos. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in happy times, and may you continue to inspire my video like this. Ameen. Like these creative and stunning videos. So more creative and more fabulous videos. So keep more amazing, keep more stunning and just looking gorgeous videos, designs, and see you soon for newly videos, attractive designs. Just looking gorgeous, just looking perfect videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button for all notification. All subscribers, all new members, amazing and perfect videos, designs and different topics, different designs. And so I will more attractive, more stunning designs ideas I have shared with you. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So